Okay, first we're going to start with 4 grapefruits and 1 lemon. And we're going to wash them in some grapefruit seed extract. So I just put a few drops in here, and then I put filtered water in, and I fill it up. And I'm going to let these soak in the grapefruit seed extract for a few minutes. Kind of give them a little bit of a scrub down, try and get any residue off the grapefruits and the lemons. Okay, then we're going to take a serrated knife and we're going to cut off the peels of the grapefruits and the lemons. Start with the tops and the tails, then we lie it flat and then cut the peels around each fruit. So we're going to do this with every single fruit. Like this. And then you're going to take your blender and put the fruit directly into the blender. Okay, and then the lemon, tops and tails, same thing. Peel all the peels off with the knife. This makes it super easy so you're not having to use your hands to peel all these citrus fruits. It's a little tiring. It's okay if there's pith on it. You want to keep the pith. Okay. All of those peels are going to go into the slow cooker. Okay, so once we've cut all the peels off, we're going to quarter these if you prefer, and then place them directly into the blender. This is going to make about 8 cups of citrus lemonade. Okay, so now we've got all of our grapefruits and okay, now we filled up the blender with water. We're just going to put it onto our Vitamix, put the lid on, and then we're going to blend until it's totally pureed. Okay, and then we just remove the lid, get our glass canisters, and then pour this into each glass container. Then we're going to put a lid on it and store it in the fridge for about a week. Enjoy! Now for our citrus tonic, we're going to put all the peels of our grapefruits and a lemon into a slow cooker, and then we're going to cover it with water. And that's it. And this is what the citrus tonic looks like after it's been steeping for 3 hours in the slow cooker. I've set up my glass jar with a strainer and a funnel. Now I'm just going to pour the citrus tonic into the glass jar and then cover it with a lid. Then store it in the refrigerator for about a week, or you can freeze it in 2 ice cube trays and store it, for at least a month.